News highlight in the past 24 hours. Atiku warns FG will be held responsible for El Rufai's safety amid ongoing detention. Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar has said the federal government would be held accountable if anything happens to former Kaduna State Governor Nasir El Rufai amid his continued detention by anti-graft agencies. In a post on X, Abubakar described El Rufai's health and welfare as a matter of serious concern to his family, friends, and associates. He called on the federal government to provide clarity on which agency currently has custody of the former governor, naming the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offenses Commission, ICPC, and the State Security Service, SSS, as possible agencies involved. Tinubu sacks IGP Egbetokun, appoints Tunji Disu as police chief amid jubilation at Force HQ. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has removed Inspector General of Police Kayode Egbetokun from office, a development that reportedly sparked celebrations at the force headquarters in Abuja. Egbetokun, whose tenure was dogged by criticism over security management and allegations of misconduct, will be succeeded by Tunji Disu, the Assistant Inspector General of Police in charge of the Force Criminal Investigation Department, FCID, Annex in Alagbon, Lagos. Ozikeme forgery case dropped after AGF withdrawal. The Office of the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, has withdrawn the criminal charge filed against Senior Advocate of Nigeria for alleged forgery. The development was announced on Tuesday at the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, sitting in Maitama. The Director of Public Prosecution of the Federation, DPPF, Rotimi Oyedepo, SAN, informed Justice Peter Kekemeke that the Attorney General had resolved to take a holistic review of the matter and determine the most appropriate course of action. Peter Akpe confirmed Bayelsa Deputy Governor clears swearing-in hurdle. The Bayelsa State House of Assembly has confirmed the appointment of Peter Akpe as the new Deputy Governor of the state. Akpe, a pastor and seasoned public servant, previously served as Chief of Staff to Governor Duidiri before his nomination for the role. Gencos dismiss 2.8 trillion Naira debt report, demands audit transparency. The Association of Power Generation Companies, APGC, has dismissed reports claiming that 2.8 trillion Naira represents a newly verified and final settlement of legacy debts owed to electricity generation companies, describing the assertion as inaccurate and misleading. In a statement titled, APGC Position on Misleading Reports Regarding Gencos' Debt Reconciliation, issued Monday in Abuja, the association's chief executive officer, Joy Ogaji, said the 2.8 trillion Naira figure did not emerge from any officially concluded reconciliation process and challenged those behind the claim to disclose how the amount was computed.